BH Cosmetic, and we gonna start. Dot dot dot. Morphe 35C. I was gonna say 35B. Using this shade. Dot dot dot. That's what I do so that I can get the pigment, so it's easier to blend. That's what I do. And it's gonna be harsh, but blending is all you gotta do. And it doesn't look like how this blends really nice. It's light brown color, not too much. Just so that I blend it right here so that it can blend perfectly up here, so it won't look too harsh. I learned this on many tutorials. I'm not a makeup artist, but I know how to do my makeup. Half of the time when I go out, I barely wear eyeshadow. Like, it probably has to be something really good. Pink from the BH Cosmetic. The BH Cosmetic Take Me to Brazil palette. Can't speak today. Oh, my hair is in the way. You might be wondering what happened to my hair. That's a wig. That's my hair. And we're just gonna blend this. I'm gonna take this shade, this purple kind of shade here, and I'm gonna just use this in the outer corner and blend it. Like, please take your time blending. You want it to come out really nicely. I'm gonna take my other brush that I use and I'm gonna blend this together too so that it can collide together. If that makes sense. And mix it in here. I'm gonna use this shade, this purple kind of shade. Hopefully, no, it's not in it. No, this shade. It's not gonna be. This brush is so fluffy. I'm gonna blend. As they always say. Honestly, my blending and makeup shade Ebony for my brows, cause I love when I start this shit. Gel. So I'm not gonna talk to y'all, okay? Don't be your feelings. I'm sorry.
Got that boot on the floor. If you broke, go to work. I throw the money to work. Make that big booty work. Got that, make that.
Looks so hella musty, but I mean it's like a cute kind of pink, kind of like unicorn look. So yeah, I'm blending and I'm blending because it's purple, light purple, not dark purple. Don't worry guys, I'm gonna blend. Like, I used to want everything purple. I think when we were all younger, we went through this phase where we all had different color. The first favorite color I had was yellow. From yellow, I don't know, it was blue. I was like first grade. After first grade, it was this brush. This is actually it's a brow brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills, but I like using it as eyeliner. It works really good for me.
Let's turn up. Twerk. Girl, I wanna see you twerk. I throw a little money to twerk. I don't really think you can twerk. Twerk. If you broke, go to work. Make that big booty twerk. Make that big booty. Shake that booty. That big booty.
I hate the smell of this. This thing stinks, okay? It doesn't stink, but it smells weird.
Shake that booty. That big booty. Shake that booty. That big
360.
Shake that, show me a moment. Take that, bounce that boot on the floor. Shake that, bounce that boot. I throw a little money, bounce that boot on the floor. I throw a little money.
From Sephora, and they say like those little foundation kind of thingy samples. This is what it look white, but on my skin it looks yellow, and I love that undertone because my skin is warm. Ooh, okay. trying to mess my la.
Hold up, hold up. Make that bounce that boot on the floor. Make that
Okay. I need to find like a yellow like setting powder that's really good. Sometimes I just like to take it all around the face because it isn't so too white, and that's what I love about this powder. Like you can basically set your whole face with it. Even though it's for blotting, but you know, makeup ain't got a rule. So, espresso latte. To the nose, because my nose needs to be hella snatched. And contour this.
bounce that boot on the floor. DJ go to work. I throw a little money. Make that big booty twerk. Bounce that, make that big booty twerk. Bounce that.
Ladies, booty bounce.
Make that big booty, big booty, big booty, big booty, big booty, big booty, make that big booty.
They like sell it on Ulta for like $7 on their website too. So yeah, I think, not sure. The original one that I bought, yeah, emailed them and I was like, y'all really gonna do me like this, Morphe? Y'all really gonna do me like that? And they sent me a new one. I always get my Glamour Blush Set by BH Cosmetic. I'm gonna use this shade because I've really been loving this. Okay, good that look. Shade. Ooh, this is giving like a unicorn kind of look. Oh gosh. I always spray it because I like, watch this, watch. The blurring is real. I like highlighters. I'm gonna wear lip gloss. I've been really okay. Ooh, look at this curl. That bounced little watch. That booty. That big old booty. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to subscribe to the gang. Bougie gang. The bad and bougie gang. I think that's the name of my channel. Maybe